Why does my ELCB trip during a thunderstorm, and how can I prevent it? Welcome to this presentation on why Earth Leakage Circuit Breakers, or ELCBs, trip during thunderstorms, and how we can prevent it. Introduction. An ELCB is a safety device that protects us from electric shock by detecting leakage currents. During thunderstorms, lightning can cause high voltage surges. These surges travel through the wiring and appliances, creating leakage to the ground. As a result, the ELCB trips to keep you safe. Why ELCBs trip during thunderstorms? Let's understand the causes in detail. Lightning generates extremely high voltage surges that can enter through power lines. These surges often cause temporary ground leakage through faulty wiring, appliances, or even the earthing system. Since ELCBs are very sensitive, even small leakage currents are enough to trigger a trip and disconnect the power. How to prevent ELCB tripping? There are several ways to prevent nuisance tripping during thunderstorms. First, improving the earthing system helps in dissipating surge currents safely. Second, installing surge protectors diverts excess voltage away from appliances. Third, using an RCCB instead of an ELCB can help, as RCCBs are less sensitive to brief surges. Finally, having your wiring and appliances checked by a qualified electrician ensures that no hidden faults are present. Additional tips. Some additional precautions include reducing the electrical load by not running too many high-power appliances during storms, waterproofing outdoor sockets and the ELCB panel to avoid moisture-related faults, and most importantly, carrying out regular maintenance to ensure reliable protection. Conclusion. To conclude, ELCBs are vital safety devices that protect us from electrical shocks. While thunderstorms can cause nuisance tripping due to surges, the problem can be managed. With good earthing, surge protectors, RCCBs, professional inspections, and proper maintenance, you can minimize unwanted trips and keep your electrical system safe.